There's I think it's like 8, but I hate some Play-Doh slime, and I'm gonna make this into a rainbow baby. I think like today. So let me show you how I think it slimes, and look at the consistency, right? You know how slime people we do this? It's super, it's like slimy, but it's not that slimy. This all, I made like a lot. And it's super sticky, so it's not that sticky because I put like a lot of flour in it. Yeah, it's sticky. So wait, sorry. Here it is. It's really, really sticky. Why do I always say it's really, really sticky? It's not that sticky. Should did this on YouTube Capture, make it prettier. Oh, sorry. It's like that. It's that sticky that you have to like. It doesn't smell. Like, I had smelled it. It doesn't really smell that bad. So, taking this to school. Yeah, but I'm still taking it to school. So, bye.